Welcome, in front of me is a Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications and expand the list, and then here you'll find a toggle. It's right over here. So in this case it's called DND, just short for Do Not Disturb mode. So once you locate this toggle the first time around, you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can actually customize how it functions. Scroll a little bit down and you'll find this category right here, Do Not Disturb, and you can just customize the settings right here. Now, once you have done so, you don't have to come back here ever again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on a toggle. This will enable it with whatever the settings you have chosen. And once you're done with it, you can tap on a toggle once more to turn it off. Obviously, there's also another way you can utilize it using the schedule mode, which is right over here. Now, this way you would have to toggle this on and then set up the parameters of it in here, and that's all you would need to do. So once the time that you have chosen would come, it will automatically turn on, and then afterwards it will automatically also turn off. So you don't need to literally do anything apart from making sure that this toggle is enabled. So anyway, that is how you can set it up, use your Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.